So today we're gonna have a look at this smart switch which works with the 433 MHz radio frequency, and its controller, which can be mounted at the wall or just simply attached with the tape. So let's unbox it. So in the box you're given the device itself, the instruction manual, the double-sided tape, and the screws to mount it to a wall. And here we have the controller itself and two double-side tape, and the tray which contains the battery, the CR2032, which you need to insert right here. So after you connected correctly the device, which has an input and an output, you can operate the device by pressing this little button, and after inserting the battery in the remote control, you will see this light, and in order to actually connect them, so pair them, you have to press and keep pressed this button for 5 seconds until it blinks. Then you just have to press it and they will pair. That's it.